Hi, and welcome to the Zoho Mail SMTP extension tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add your SMTP credentials into your Likeable Forms extension. To get started, go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key and your Zoho Mail password. So after you've added both of these, you can go ahead and hit Verify License Key, and after your license key has been validated, we can go ahead and move on into our extension settings. So the first step is setting up our outgoing server name. Currently, Zoho Mail has two different endpoints. The first one is smtp.zoho.com, and they also have one smtppro.zoho.com. Now, there's a difference. The first one, which is smtp.zoho.com, is if your Zoho Mail account is generated by Zoho. So typically your email address that's auto-generated by Zoho might have something like your account name at zoho.com. However, if you use a business domain name, like a domain-based email address to log into your Zoho account, you want to add smtppro.zoho.com. The next step is actually adding in your Zoho Mail personal or business email. Again, for example, if you have an auto-generated email address provided by Zoho, it should look something similar to this. It'll have your account name at zoho.com. However, if you have a business email set up for your Zoho account, it should have your domain name in it. And the next step is adding your company name. So this is going to be unique for everyone. For us, it's Likeable Forms. And the last step, again, there's a difference if you have a personal account versus a business account. If you're using a personal account, you'll select port 465, and you actually want to hit SSL for your protocol. However, if you have a business account with Zoho, you actually want to select port 587 and TLS. The last step is saving our SMTP settings. So unlike saving the form, what you would normally do with most of our form extensions, instead of having to repeat this entire process and re-adding your credentials for every form, if you just go ahead and hit Save SMTP Settings, this will reload it for your entire website. So you only have to do it one time. There you have it.